Welcome to my August KDP income report, where I'm delighted to share that it's been another fantastic month. In these income reports, I like to share some of my tips and strategies to help you find success with Amazon KDP. Just before we get into the income report, it's a quick announcement that Jenny Hansen Lane and I will be teaming up again to do another masterclass, and this will be called Do More in Q4. During last Q4, Jenny was able to make over an impressive $19,000, and this followed on into January, where she was able to make over $11,000. So with this knowledge, we aim to provide you with time-saving book creation tips, as Q4 is just around the corner, proper goal setting, help you have a clear defined objective, and the book income growth strategies, which includes marketing and ads. So make sure that you've booked your place for the 7th of September, and the link is in the description below. So now let's get into my income report. And for the month of August 2023, I earned $4,079.12, which again is another awesome month. It is a bit lower than the previous June high. However, it is still my second highest month of the year. And there are always ups and downs with this business, as any other business. But what I love about this is how passive for me it's become over time. By just learning and creating the best quality books that I can over time, everything just compounds over time, and I don't have to work on this business every single day. So even during the month of August, I only uploaded one coloring book. But the books I've created in the past just keep earning me that passive income. And if you look at where my KDP business was just a year ago, I made $949.77. And that's just to encourage you not to give up on this business, but to keep on learning and developing your strategies, as everything will compound over time. So if we quickly take a look at my best-selling day, it was actually August the 5th, where I made $221.58. And then my lowest day of the month was actually August the 26th, where I only made $57.18. And on top of that, my total orders for the month of August was 1,929 books. And then we can have a look at my best-selling books of the month. So first is an activity book, and this grossed me over $1,500. Now I love creating these types of books, as there's so much variety that you can include in them, and I do have a video on my channel if you're interested in creating these types of books. Second is a logbook that grossed me $723. And then we have third is a quiz book, and these are quite fun to create, but I'll do a video on this soon. Fourth and fifth are also activity books, and the fourth book grossed me $497, while the fifth was $217.99. So those were my best 5 selling books of the month. Now getting into ads. So for the month of August, I spent the most in the UK market, spending £686.47, but that gave me a total of 337 orders and a decent ACOS of roughly 26%. And this was followed by the US market, where I spent $162.24, which gave me 87 orders, and I had a better ACOS of 22.66%. And then finally the Canadian market, where I spent $1.46, and I got one sale, which was actually a logbook, and that gave me an ACOS of 16.24%. And I am a huge fan of ads. I definitely think that you need to be running them in your KDP business, and I've got several videos on my channel to support you with that. And I do plan to have a video out this Friday about manual ads. So getting into the final numbers for the month of August, my income was $4,097.12. My expenses, and these include ads, and as I'm based in the UK, I am subject to 20% tax in that market, so that took my ad spend to $1,200.19. Then my subscriptions, which include Creative Fabrica, Canva, Midjourney, and GPT-4, this took my expenses to $1,306.19. So my net income for the month of August was $2,790.93. So thanks for watching another income report. I do have a long list of income reports you can watch, which I always try to provide value and show insights into my business. But if you do have any questions, then just let me know in the comments.